Solve by any method the equation 3 minus 16 over x minus 12 over x squared is equal to 0. I'm going to start by making a note that in this equation we have the restriction that x cannot equal 0. That would lead to a 0 denominator. Just stating that up front. Now to begin solving, let's multiply through by our lowest common denominator, which is x squared. So we have a 3x squared minus 16 times x, because one of our x's cancel, minus 12 is equal to 0. This leaves us with a quadratic equation. Let's try to factor it. If it factors, our leading terms are going to have to be a 3x and x. Factors of negative 12. We can use a plus 2 and a minus 6, and let's quickly check our inner and outer products. 2x and a negative 18x gives a negative 16x. So now use your zero factor property. 3x plus 2 is 0, or x minus 6 is 0. Solve each linear piece. Here, subtract your 2 over, divide by 3 to get x is equal to a negative 2/3, or x is equal to 6. Now, anytime that we do things like multiplying equation through by a variable, say x squared as we did, we really need to check both of our solutions to make sure that we haven't introduced any extraneous roots. I'm going to check this x equal negative 2/3. Make sure you go back to the original equation. So is 3 minus 16 over negative 2/3 minus 12 over negative 2/3 squared going to give us 0. This is a 3, that's going to be plus 16 divided by 2/3 is 16 times 3 halves. That's a 48 halves, or 24, minus, here we're going to have 12 over 4/9 as we square that denominator. Is this going to give us 0? Well, that's a 27 minus, this becomes 12 times 9/4. That's a 27 minus 27. Yeah, that's a true statement. X equal negative 2/3 satisfies the equation. I'm going to let you check that other proposed solution, the x equals 6. It does work as well. So our solution set is both of these solutions, the negative 2/3 and 6.